I'm Shantek, and today I'll show you how to locate missing items on your Minecraft Java server using CoreProtect's lookup feature. I'm sure we've all been there before, where you or one of your players put something super valuable in the most random location, you totally forget where you put it, and then it pops up somewhere random 6 months later. But that's where this command comes in super handy. So using /co lookup, then I'm looking for something that I did, so user, I'll just put Shantek. Then using the actions, we can really fine tune what we actually want to look up. Some are pretty self-explanatory, but you'll notice there's a plus or a minus in front of a few of these. I'll link to their documentation in the description, but just as an example, plus container is items into a chest, minus container is out of a chest. In this instance, we won't actually use the actions. The exclude option will let you specify a specific item to exclude from search results. Or you can flip that around and use the include option if you want to look for just one specific item. In my case, I know we're looking for a netherite ingot, so I can just type that in. Next, we'll set the radius that we want to search. So if we think we roughly put it in this area, we can type 20 and just search a 20 block radius. And the last thing we'll set is the time frame that we want to search for. So in our case, we'll just look up any transactions that match this in the last 1 hour. Then it should return the exact location of where we put the item. If you're not able to locate it within that certain radius, you can also change that to a hash followed by the world name to do a global search in that entire world. Let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see.